Good evening. Is there anyone answers now? Any response? What about the remaining participants? Uh, okay. Sorry. Let me discuss. What is my AI? What is my artificial intelligence? Kindly everyone turn on the mic and answer. Just we will recap 4 days and we will talk extra bit of technical. What is my AI? What is my AI? Just answer. Turn on your mic. What's my AI? Any idea about AI?
Well, as we are listening from many days, AI is artificial intelligence.
Yes, AI is artificial. That's what this is the answer I wanted for a long time. AI is artificial intelligence, just a starting for initiative, right? Okay. Okay, fine. Then, hmm, what are the building blocks of artificial intelligence? What are the building blocks? Any idea? What are the building blocks of artificial intelligence?
Well, artificial intelligence means how we are making a machine work like an intelligent. For that, we may need, in terms of the IoT, may need the sensors and so on, many things. Is that you are asking?
No, ma'am. If we are telling a chat GPT as AI, right? Or else
Oh.
any fingerprint that's an AI means,
Uh,
and based
we
on
are
what
making
parameters we are going to tell that's an AI.
a machine to reply training and testing. Is that
Hmm.
you are telling?
No, ma'am. No, you're not getting my exact point.
Uh,
We are now telling a normal Google search engine as an AI. No, right?
okay.
We are not telling Google search engine as an AI, right?
Mm.
We are using in last decades.
No, we are just making the machine to behave like us. It's
No,
an
no.
art.
Just a
Mm.
minute, ma'am. That's
Okay.
correct, ma'am. That's correct, ma'am.
Uh,
In past decades, we are using search engine, right? Google search engine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are calling that AI or not?
Yes, of course.
We are calling that AI, Google
Yeah.
search engine.
Yeah, artificial intelligent. We have put it in a machine.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Now we are calling a Chat GPT or Gemini or DeepSeek as an AI, right?
Yes, yes.
But we are not calling Google search engine, Yahoo search engine as an AI. We are just calling as a search engine. Understood,
Oh,
ma'am?
oh, that I do not know.
Understood, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, I understood.
Because why we are calling that as a search engine and this is we are calling as an AI means in search engine it already gives a pre-trained output results only, right? If we are getting a what is my if we are searching what is my who is Newton means already in any one of the websites someone have trained and get store the information about the Newton and it will show the results only, right? In previous search engines, but not but that like ChatGPT or Gemini means it will automatically produce an image, it will automatically generate a text, it is automatically producing an example like that. It is automatically functioning, right? Understood, ma'am?
Oh, you are saying whichever gives us the output. Huh?
No, based on I am not till now I'm not getting you are not getting the exact point, ma'am. We are calling ChatGPT as AI, right?
Hmm.
No,
No, I do not know why you are not calling the others as the AI and you are calling this particular other.
ma'am, I am
AI.
not calling. Our society and our entire world calling
Okay,
Google
okay,
normal
sir.
Google
On
search engine
what
at
basis, sir?
2013 14 like that it's Google search engine is there now.
On
Google
what
browser,
basis,
Chrome
sir?
browser.
On what basis you are saying Google search engine is not an artificial intelligence?
Ma'am, it's not an artificial intelligence. That's what I am asking. At what basis we are calling ChatGPT only as an AI? That means not only ChatGPT, like ChatGPT, any other like that. This is called an AI application. This is not an AI application like that. I am asking. At what
No,
basis?
sir.
What are the parameters should we need to satisfy?
No, sir. I could not get why that is not AI application and only what you are telling. Those are the only AI.
Okay, ma'am.
Please tell, sir.
Okay, fine. When you got a free time, just check, ma'am. That's all. What means there is a building blocks of AI. What are the building blocks of AI means? If we are calling one as an AI application or AI web interface like that, now it should be satisfy the four basic parameters. We already know. Likewise, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and open computer vision. In ancient days, Google search engine is not an AI, but now only the developed era like that Google lens are coming right. Google Lens came. I am talking about 2013 14 Google version. Now Google Lens are came and Google Voice Assistants also came in the nearby tab. Afterwards, in Google also AI mode search also came right. In Google, normal Google tab AI search also came. Nowadays only we are calling that an AI. But in I am asking about the ancient days, we are calling that as a search engine only. Google is a search engine. Yahoo is a search engine. And any other. Opera Mini is a search engine. And more and more. Now only Google added extra few more AI features like Google Lens. That means Google Lens using camera. That comes under open computer vision. That's what we are going to see today. And Google Voice Assistants. That comes under NLP. We already saw. I already see. And Google AI mode that comes under machine learning, deep learning. Likewise, Google added extra features now. That's what we are calling Google search engine also now AI. That means comes under with Gemini. But in ancient days, Google only comes with the search results only. Only we are going to type and enter, getting our answer. That's we are calling a search engine. Search engine optimization, search engine supporter, that like that we are calling a search engine only. But nowadays, Google added Google Lens as extra feature, Google Voice mode as extra feature, and Google AI mode also extra features. Let me give a brief example of picture. Still no single digit only participants came. Okay.
Sir,
Ma'am, yes ma'am, tell ma'am.
With curiosity, I gave the net that Google search engine is AI or not. But it's saying it's also an AI.
Ma'am, that's
And
what
you
I'm
are
telling.
saying it's not an AI.
Ma'am, I am telling about Google version of 2013, 12 version like that in ancient decades. Last decades we are using. But now Google is an AI because Google added as lens. Lens comes in sorry, open computer vision. Google added voice assistance that comes under NLP. Google added an AI mode search. Wait a minute, ma'am. That's what I'm going to show. Google search engine. Uh, what is that? It's showing Google images. Mhm. Just a minute, ma'am. This is what we are using in the last decades, right? Just a box only appears. We only going to type and get a results. But comparing, just a minute.
Sir, you are typing something and getting some output means that itself is an artificial intelligence.
We are typing something, but it giving some output. Based on what it will give some output means it
What
already give a
exactly you are asking, that only it is giving the
no,
output.
no, ma'am. It already searching a relevant output only, not exact output in Google search engine in previous days. In previous days and previous years, previous decades, it will give a relevant answers only, not exact answer. No, no, wait a minute. Current version, current images. Okay, fine. Uh, I think here is the ma'am, see this ma'am. Here Google added a lens support. Google added an AI features. In your phone also it will available. In your mobile phone, if you are going to means it will go. It will show as a AI mode. If you are clicking the AI mode means it will redirect to Gemini, AI, or Google. That's both are powered by Google only. It will redirect it to that page, and we are going to search whatever we want. Likewise, only Google and search engines. That means AI is a little bit different. Google, if I search Google AI mode means that comes under last year only. Google
Sir,
AI mode.
according to my perception,
Yes, ma'am.
whatever the application, whether it gives me the right or whether it gives me the wrong answer, if it's just replying me itself, it's an AI. It has
Oh.
something intelligence built
Okay,
into
ma'am.
it.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's
Uh,
also if any machines that can respond to user instructions, that's also called as an AI.
Itself, it's an AI. How we
Okay,
can
ma'am.
say the particular is not an AI? It's my perception, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. That's not. That's always welcome, ma'am. Here the search engine is there. Here the voice assistant, lens support. This is called AI features mode. AI features mode, translation. This what are called as an AI. That means any text to image. That means open CV. That means image related. NLP. That means voice or text related. And machine learning, deep learning related. Everything as an AI only. Okay, ma'am. We are diverting from the answer. Technical. What I'm going to say. Okay. Any idea about computer vision? Slowly we are getting into the topics. Open CV. Any idea about computer vision, ma'am? Computer vision or open CV, anything? Any idea about that? 13 participants are letting join now after 18 minutes. Any idea about computer vision? Anyone? Slowly we'll get into the topic. Just reply.
No, sir, please continue. We know a very, very little bit about it.
Yes, ma'am. I want that answers also. Everything is useful.
Nothing. It is computer vision. Like this one is CV stands for the computer vision. Uh, for image also. Yes, for image processing and something it will come. Uh, I have finished my PhD in 2011, so I have a very less known about the OpenCV. During that time only, I have studied it rather than the MATLAB or something. OpenCV was available then. Uh, what to say? It's a just a library that gives us the what to say folders or the documents regarding the computer vision, or maybe the processing of the images, or maybe the machine learning. I don't know whether I'm correct or not.
You are saying don't know, but telling everything.
No,
Okay.
sorry, it was very very long ago.
That's one. Open computer vision. First one, we are going to see what is computer vision. Computer vision is nothing but accessing a real-time data. What type of data? Video data or image data? Real time. If we are going to record a video, means that's also real time, right? We are not editing a, uh previous video like that. We are on the spot. We are going to deducting the real time data, real time movement data. That means and we are going to access that. For example, if there is CCTV cameras there now, CCTV camera, what is the purpose of CCTV camera? It will just record the every session, every frame by frame like that. Or that's a best example of computer vision. It will always monitoring the video. If you are going to backward means it will also show the backward frame, backward time frame like that. If you are going forward means forward time frame. If you are going 2x, it will show us 2x like that. We are going to access the real time videos. If you are going to zoom means it will zoom. If you are going to zoom out, zoom out. If you are going to blur, blur. That's why we are going to access a real time uh, video data, real time images also. If we are recording a man is walking on the road means that's also considered computer vision. If we are recording a man walking of man image or walking of man gif also anything, we just change the background. We are removing the background, and we are going to convert the color RGB into grayscale or else black and white, or else we are going to blur the full image video like that. If we are accessing any part means it will comes under the computer vision. Okay. Then what is the open computer? This is a computer vision. Then what is the open computer vision? Is nothing but it is one of the tool or library, anything. That comes under CV. Now we are going to perform open CV only. That's a comes under the tool of computer vision. If we are going to access, there is a difference between image processing and open CV. Any idea about any difference between image processing and open CV? I told what is open CV, right? Accessing real-time images or real-time videos data, and we are going to access that. Then what is image processing? Any idea about image processing?
It's like processing the images, maybe the edge detection, or maybe the noise reduction, extracting something from the image.
Okay, ma'am. Difference. I am asking you, what is image processing? No,
Uh,
I'm asking difference between these two.
Difference. Vision uh, is it's a library of many things, but it's used in the image processing.
Yes, ma'am. Image processing is nothing but we are going to access static images. We already taken that. That's what called image processing. And computer vision is nothing but we are going to access the real-time images. That's what a difference. Can you post any examples? Any examples? Understood what is open computer, what is image processing and what is open computer vision? If we are going to click a picture, we are already clicked a picture. We are going to edit that picture like that blurring concept, anything. That's what we are going to see in coding part. We are going to edit that picture means that comes under image processing. We are going to take a current video, live video means, and we are going to edit in the live video. Live video is going. We are editing in that means that's comes under computer vision. Any idea on using Snapchat?
No, sir.
Okay. That's the best example of this both two. In Snapchat, there is an application, there is a features. We are going to record our filters in live mode. Wait a minute. If I have any Google GIF means, I will show that. That's for better understanding purpose.
Yo, apa?
Just a minute. It is going to Snapchat, I think so. No. It's automatically showing, right? Seeing, is screen accessible? Kindly and respond. Is screen accessible or not? Is screen accessible? Is my screen accessible or not? Anyone kindly respond. It's automatically accessing the videos, right? By the editing the mouth image, it automatically showing the tongue. Likewise, only Snapchat, that this is called computer vision. If we are going to upload a already pre-trained image means that's what comes under image processing. Understood? Okay, let's go on the slide. Yes. What is the computer vision? Computer vision enables machines to interpret the visual data, addressing the key challenges like the image recognition and object detection. Object detection we are seeing now. If it's detected the mouth means start already showing a tongue and playing the vital role in AI systems. That's called the image reduction, image reduction, video reduction, image recognition, video segmentation. Like it will show the various what is the various roles, important major pivotal role in AI applications. That's what we are going to see. Right. This is called computer vision. Basically, computer vision is using for accessing a real-time videos or images data. That's what. That's a simple definition. Here is there's a brief and a formal definition. Okay. What is the importance? OpenCV. Now I explained computer vision, right? Now why we are going to see that OpenCV? What is OpenCV? OpenCV is the open source computer vision. That's called OpenCV. Open source computer vision is a powerful, that's an open source library. It's a powerful library. If we are going to access any of one of the images or videos means OpenCV is required must. OpenCV is required must. We are going to access any one of the real-time images or videos. And that's supporting any versions and any qualities of image at any processing rate. OpenCV is the most powerful. Now we currently we are using CV2. CV2 is nothing but computer vision 2 second version. Video analysis in traffic that I already shown. There is some famous projects. There is several projects, famous projects are there by using OpenCV. First one is driver drowsiness reduction. Driver drowsiness reduction. What is the purpose? If in ancient days, if drivers driving vehicle in night time, they will fall asleep, right? Without any idea, they will fall asleep. Means what will happen? Several accidents have happened. In order to avoid that future accidents in the future, we are going to implement a driver drowsiness using OpenCV. What will happen means in front of driver seat there is a small cam is there facing the driver face. In front of driver seat there is a small camera is fixing regarding to facing the driver's face, and it will automatically detected drivers if driver anomaly means what if driver head is down or else eyes are closed, if eye blinking several time or else like that, it will if anything detects means automatically it will move the vehicle at the corner of the road by slowly. It will automatically move the corner of the road and stop the vehicle. That's one of the uh, efficient project now. Understood? In our what will happen if driver already detected the if any sleep means automatically vehicle moving at the uh, corner of the road at the end of the that means at the what I say means not the corner, uh, it's going not in the middle of the road. It will going across from the apart from the main lane, and vehicle stop. Afterwards, this is one type of reacting system. Another one is this is consisting of hardware also. That means Internet of Things also required, and it will also comes in the embedded system also. Now, what is there is another solution also there. If driver drowsiness detected means automatically vehicle will getting alarm. Vehicle will sounding alarm. Each patient's call notification, or else each patient's registered mobile number means they got alert message. Like that, we are implement. This is one type of projects. Another type what is means traffic direction. If there is a in the center of traffic light, there is a cam is fixed in four seats of road. Uh, if any traffic is there means it will automatically if there is one road consisting of more number of vehicles in traffic means automatically it will stop the other three lanes and it will free the most trafficking area. Likewise, it will relevant to other and other also. If something some another road having so much of traffic means it will detect the traffic and it will free up the that lane, or else helmet detection. In the traffic, anyone we are not wearing helmet means automatically it will detect the helmet if we are not wearing or not. If he are not wearing means it will detect that he is not a helmet. He is not wearing helmet, and again automatically detecting the vehicle numbers plate and getting fine to them. This is real time. Within a second, it will detect. In this type of real time projects, we are using OpenCV only. That's what it is making invaluable in various industries. Understood? Or else any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? I am telling this project now. That's understood. What will happen? Any idea? Any doubts? If there is no means, we will proceed to next one. Any doubt? No. Okay, fine. This is for OpenCV. And how we are going to implement OpenCV means by using deep learning with OpenCV, that's the best combination. And ML is the existing method. If you are getting into ML means that's existing method. But now what is advanced method means deep learning with OpenCV and AI with OpenCV like that only. Right. That's what we are implementing OpenCV in current environment. Uh, for what is the purpose? If we are going to in a real time front and back end means we are going to connecting the API keys and for real time programs. If you are just for project purpose means we are using Python program with OpenCV or C++. Best is AI Python with OpenCV is the best. We are going to use that for collaboration development. That's what we are implementing OpenCV in real time world. This is what here. And what are techniques in OpenCV? First, there is a blurring technique. What is my blurring? That's an interesting question. You all hear this word blur, right? The blur is a famous word. We are hearing what is the meaning, how is the output, we everything know. Right. Then what is the meaning of blurring? What is my blur? Any idea what is my blur? Just asking randomly, not technically. What is my blur?
The pixels values will be much and more perplexed, and it will show us the
Ma'am, I'm only getting pixel values. After that, I'm not getting your voice. Ma'am, audible?
blur means the scene itself. It will be blurry. The pixel values may be confused, uh,
Confused. Okay.
and it appears in the two or three way. Sorry,
Okay.
sorry, I
That
cannot.
means that's our image is not clarity, right? Or else pixel is reduced now.
Whatever the pixel values are not perfect.
Okay, ma'am. Pixel values are not perfect. According to you, pixel value is not perfect. Anyone? I am taking this answer in my account. Anyone? What is my blurring? What is my blur? Just a few try. Sorry. Any try? Image is not clear. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. I just want any other one answer. Already two answers came. Any one other one answer you will I'm expecting. Any one answer? Any one answers? I'm expecting only one answer. That's right or wrong. Nothing is wrong. I'm just expecting one answer. Anyone? There is 20 participants here. I'm just expecting one. What is my blur? Blurring is essential noise reduction, image smoothing, surfacing. That's everything is fine. I'm just asking what is my blur? Yes, I am expecting one answers, please. We are going to see today a lot of topics. Kindly respond soon. What is my blurring? Anyone? Okay, image consists of what? Images consist of image consists of kindly respond. Pixels, yes. Image consists of pixels. Then video consists of video consists of anyone? We already everyone know images consist of Aiman.
Frames. Videos consisting of the frames.
Yes. Videos consist of pixels and frames. Both are valid answer. Image only consists of pixels, but pixels is videos consist of pixels or frames. Now I am drawing right. Just assume this is an image pixel. Just assume this is an image or pixels. Okay. This is an image. This square shape is a image, and inside there is every box is there. That is called pixels. If we are going to interchange the pixels with one by one means that's called blurring. If we are going to change this black in here and yellow, pink is there and white is here and pink is in white and blue in white and white in blue and pink in pink and pink in blue. Like if we are interchanging the each and every pixels of an image means not removing or not adding, just interchanging each and every pixels. That means just collapsing the each and every pixels of an image means that's what called blurring. Understood? Understood or not? For example, um, hmm, there is a star image there. Okay, there is a star image. This is one image. Let's consider this is one image. Okay. If we are going to change, this is consist of pixels, right? This is consist of pixels. This way is a picture is divided into pixels. If we are changing the each and every pixels on within the neighbors, means that's what called in like stack layer in top of the each and every pixels we are changing means that's what image pixels clarity will reduce and that's make result into the blur. Understood? This one understood or not? Understood or not? What is my blurring? Understood? Anyone in chat box or else voice? Yes, fine. There are several types of blurring. Gaussian blur, Gaussian blur and median blur. If we are giving a yes, if we want a blurring image with a soft means just I don't know anything. I want just a blur. That's what we are. We are not focusing on object. We are just focusing on blurring means we use Gaussian blur. If we are focusing on object, but it is slightly blur means we are using median blur. And average is nothing but both of our image average pixel values. Average we are not using mostly. We are using Gaussian blur and median blur. If you see in Gaussian blur output and median blur output, I will understand the difference. Just a minute. I am just running the two codes. That means two Gaussian blur and median blur. If we are going to see means that's see the output and you yourself know the difference. What is that output difference? If we are focusing on object and object is also blur means we are using Gaussian blur. If we are focusing on image, not an object means that comes under median blur. Ah, this is a Gaussian blur, right? Screen is visible. Just one response. Screen is visible or not? For my confirmation. If screen is visible, just one confirmation. Yes, thank you. Yes. Here the Gaussian blur. This is combined with this image. You know CV2 is defined, right? I'm just adding this one. Import CV2, we are in defined. CV2, so what is my CV2? I already saw. I am already adding the copy path paste content of Peacock. Now I am getting into the collab environment. I am going to copy path and paste it here for reading the image purpose. PLT is not defined. Oh, import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. Yes. Now image is not blurred, right? Both images are same because I am giving less value only 50 55. If I am giving 555 means just a minute, it's running. It's running. Now image is blurred, visible. It's that visible, the image is clearly blurred, right? Because in first time I give 55, that means it will just rearrange one time. If I giving the so much of more values means it will rearrange multiple times and and forming a layer one by one layer upwards like that, and each image clarity getting reduced by adding the each and every layer, and our output is visible. This is called what means as Gaussian blur. Now Gaussian blur output just to see Gaussian blur as median blur also there. This is grayscale. This is rotation code. This is resizing. And this is not. This is erosion dilation. Flip. This is Gaussian blur. Where is that median blur code? I already have that. Just a minute. Okay, I will show the median blur output in code here only there, but we are not going to waste the time by sketching that. If it's median blur means the output is comes under uh, just like a cartoon image like that. Just there is no full blur is happened. There is just a partial blur only happened in the median blur. Okay. Mm. Okay, I will show that later. I'll get back into the code. Now you have seen the Gaussian blur, right? Gaussian blur is nothing but just focusing on full blurring concept. But median blur is nothing but just removing the external noises or any unwanted pixels means just remove and creating the quality apart from the original image. That's what called VR median blur. Shall I move to the next one? Just read this one. I told that's one only. By calculating the mean of neighboring pixel effectively and smoothing the image. Just average blurring works by calculating the mean pixels of neighborhoods and effectively smoothing the image. This technique reduces noise and creates a softer appearance. Now only I told now. Just depending on the each and every neighboring pixels only neighboring changing the neighboring pixel value that leads to the image. That leads to the blurring of an image. Okay. Not this is what is the Gaussian blur? How we are going to understand the Gaussian blur? Um, You already know everywhere Gaussian law, Gaussian distribution. Everywhere we are using that name, right? By using the Gaussian distribution formula, that we are going to calculate the pixel value for combining the two red, green, blue like that. And after that, getting the edge reader intention, that's there is several edges there now. Uh, what does it mean? So there are some certain boundary values there. If it's getting above the boundary value means pixels getting value reduced. That means pixel clarity getting reduced. And there is a smoothing transition, this task, and preserving the details. These all happen after getting the certain boundaries. That's what we are using Gaussian blur. And there is a median blur. Median blur mainly using for reducing the salt and pepper noise. If an image consists of uh, any unwanted noise or any damaged pixels means uh, and that's what we are using for reducing that we are using median blur. Understood this one? This one understood? What is the difference between Gaussian blur and linear blur? Mainly Gaussian blur using for getting a softer blurring outputs, but median blur is used for removing certain vapor noise apart from the image. That's what the main reason we are using Gaussian blur and median blur. And what is the blurring means? Depending on the neighboring pixel values, we are changing the each and every pixels one by one, and there is a, that leads to the mm, and that leads to what? The blurring. That means the zero lessing reducing the clarity of each and every pixels, and that's resulting to the blurring of an image. Okay. And there's a bilateral filter that's performing both Gaussian filter and median filter. Uh, Even also it will changes the smoothing of image and preserving each and every details. And that is provides better results by combining these two, like Gaussian filter and median filter. And edge reduction. Any idea about edge reduction?
Corners of the image.
Corners. That means four corners. Corners of an image. Any detailed explanation?
What's that?
Edge reduction is a corners of an image. That's you told.
Yeah.
Anything detailed with the
The
example, any brief
pixel
explanation?
values will be changed.
Borders of an image. Borders of an image means just a minute. There is an image. This corners. These corners are. Or else, if there is an image means these borders are. Anything. This is what you are trying to tell, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Apart from these answers, anyone?
Sir, there could also be the lines within the image which are making the lines.
That means within the image here.
There also could be some pictures. The
Okay, I
pictures
am
could
I,
be
I am putting a human.
that is also in border. See, you are putting something.
Now I am putting image and human picture, and here where is the edge reduction is happened.
The lines of the image which makes it different from the surrounding pixel values.
That means edge reduction is nothing but this is a image, right? Human is an image. Okay, there is an edge now. There is a line forms via in the outline of human only. Understood? Here the edges means edges of the main pixels of an image, not a corners or not a borders. If there is a tree also here, background means there is a tree. Then the outline of tree also consider. The outline of tree also consider. This both, if any people is there in background means their outline also consider. Their outline also consider. Understood? This is what called as edge reduction. Understood? Edge reduction is nothing but just directing the main pixels of an image and enhancing that for further purpose. This is what called edge reduction. Just a minute, I will get back to this. There is some coding is also there. In the edge reduction, there are several types. Counter reduction is there, and canny edge reduction is also there. There are several types in the edge reduction. Here, this is a medium blur. Now only I see this. This is a median blur. I searched for long on this code. Now only I got. This is a median blur. I upload this image copy path in that code. Yeah. And here there is an image of differences there. Now wait, I will run the Gaussian code also parallel. There is a Gaussian code.
இந்த introduction first clip எடுத்துன்னு பாருங்க. It was amazing. Internship பண்ணாங்க.
Now seeing this both image, here the pixel how is happened, blurring is how it's happened in Gaussian blur, and here the how it's happened. Just
பயங்கரமா இருந்துச்சு.
Who teaches students?
found difference how here the blur is happened in Gaussian blur and how here this happened. This is called difference between Gaussian blur and median blur. Now we are going this canny introduction, how the edges are performed.
I just loved your energy and the way you were like on fire up there. Last ஆயிட்டு இருந்தீங்க. Entry performance பயங்கரமா கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க.
Just a minute.
All the very best and good luck at the
There is someone mic is turned on. Kindly switch off the mic. Here there is an edges only detected, right? Not so much accurately, but approximately. Here also we are using canny only. Here also we are using can introduction. And this image means we are getting to results and output approximate edges by the definite pixel values. Okay. And this is the contour edge direction, contour threshold, contour edge direction. Here just there is a green color line is there. Understood? Visible? There is a green color line is there visible or not? This green color line is visible or not? There is a green color line is there now. Or else shall I change the line color? Wait. Now line is color is visible or not? Here it will just deducting the contours. This contour means just it will deducting the lines only, borders. That's called contour edge reduction. And this is a canny edge reduction. Edge reduction is nothing but just accessing the edges of a pixels, important main pixels image. This is edge reduction also there. Here pixels is there now, just for visible. Edge reduction understood. Just read the definitions also and the pictures also there. Just read it once and update in chat box. Edge reduction understood or not? Any doubt? Understood edge reduction. Edge reduction is something what identifying object boundaries. If I am walking in the night time, I don't know who is coming or going. By using the heat map everyone know, right? Heat map with the edge reduction output, we just identifying the outline of the humans, and we are using usually easily used to detecting the humans in night time, right? That's what we are using edge reduction. Any doubts is there now? Just update. We will move to Anand, we will move to next one. Any doubts or else shall we move to next one? Any response, please? Okay. And there are common edge reduction methods: Sobel edge reduction, Laplacian, Gani edge reduction. In gradient basis means Just color basics we are used to editing edge means that's where we are using sober edge reduction. But can edge reduction is not like that. It will provide some precision. Now only we are seeing that by using peacock image. Can edge reduction is nothing but using precision values. And that's used for multi-level reduction purpose also. And Laplacian reduction is used to identify the intensity. If there is a one part of an image only contains so many elements means it will detect only that purpose only. Okay, that's what called we are using Laplacian edge reduction. These are the three types. Sober edge reduction, just a color based, canny edge reduction, everything in multi processing, and Laplacian edge reduction nothing but just accessing the intensity, deducting only based on intensity purpose. Okay, and these are the color reduction, and we are using functions like CV2 sober, CV2 canny, and CV2 Laplacian for the uh, edge reduction analysis. Okay, and finding results based on specific use cases. Then how generative AI using in computer vision? Any idea? We already know what is generative AI. We already know what is computer vision. Then merge the both. How generative AI used in computer vision? Any idea? Just any ideas? If it's no idea means that's also fine. How we are using generative AI in open. Any ideas? Kindly anyone? Open computer vision is nothing but using based on cameras. That means images or videos. Generative AI producing contents, creating contents by own. By using cameras, which one creating contents one? That's what we are using generative AI in computer vision. Any one examples I want, any one. Any one examples? Okay, myself tell. We are using a computer scanner like document scanner. We are using cameras. We are using cameras for detecting any lens, and it will producing translating another language, like that. Example, animating a static photo. Yes. If we are using animation means that means it will give a movement, right? That's also best example. And okay, let me finish my point. If you are using document scanner for detecting any PDF purpose, like that means uh, that's also we are using the computational generative AI. Or else if we are going in a translation, we are using cameras. That's also computation, but it's translating to another language. And here it's a generative AI. Or else if I just scanning a QR code in the payment app, it will redirect to the payment page. That also generative AI with computation. These are several examples of how generative AI is using computer vision. What is just view this once? We already know what is generative AI. I will just give a minute. Just view this one. Just view this for a minute. See now, you already know this is generative creating new content and OpenCV, that means accessing cameras. We merging this both. We are accessing generative with open computation. Okay. These are the techniques you already know: GAN, VAE, diffusion models. Okay. Here there is no output. Now, generative AI using computer vision for data augmentation. What does the data augmentation means? For any enhancing the quality of an image, enhancing the pixels of an image, creating new uh, output image from existing previous image, or else editing of an image. These are the everything. Here we are just this is a normal image, and by using generative AI, this is a normal image taken by OpenCV. We are enhancing the image like this. This requires both OpenCV and generative AI. Okay. These are the how generative AI enhances with computer vision. And here integrating OpenCV with AI, we already now only discussed how we are going to integrating this as an OpenCV, applying blurring, edge reduction, and enhancing the quality of an image. These are the things we already seen, right? Okay. We will see some coding part. Here this code consists of bitwise not operator. Bitwise not is nothing but changing the quality of an image. If it's converting, we already know that's negative image. We already know, right? In older age, we are using the camera roll, uh, and in the camera roll, we seen with the light means it will show us negative image, right? That is the content. Wait, I think we have to copy paste this one. If I copied this one and pasted here, we are using bitwise not. Bitwise not is nothing but Just changing the true or false into false or true. Okay. This is the bitwise operator negative image like that. By using bitwise not, this is a image, right? In a normal we are using negative image like application, but in background it is using cv2 dot bitwise not. Okay. And this image is nothing but just accessing the letters in pixels of an image. Oh. In the peacock image is there. Here we return as OpenCV rooks, right? We already mentioned here. Dot put text is a function here. cv2 dot put text. By using this put text function, we enter in the letters or numbers inside the image. And here is a color value 25, 255, 0 is nothing but a green color. This is a green color, right? If you have to change this means I'm going to change the color value. Each and every color value consists of 0 to 255. And if it's everything is 255, 255, 255 means that's considered as a white, I think. Just I'm not white or black. White. 250, 255, 255 is a white. If it's everything 0, 0, 0 means what is the color? What is the color now? Any answers? This is a simple question only. Here only we are by using put text function we are using to using put text function we are using just applying text on the image. Okay. I already seen this one. And here that's already contour edges, everything is there only. And this is the image segmentation. If we are using this collab files, this line means when we are using this line means it will automatically asking like that. Choose a files from your path like that. This is the threshold value. Threshold value nothing but that's one of the color conversion mode. Like hot, cold, gray, jet, like that. It is also one of the color conversion mode. We are using here J120 somewhat 25. If I mention 124 means what will happen? Just there is a outline also there, then there are so much of accurate details also present, right? This is called image segmentation.
Sir, what she is telling is correct.
Ma'am, I'm not getting your voice, ma'am.
Sir, what she is telling is correct.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible? Okay, we will move to next one. There is one code is there. That's this is the code. Now I am going to uploading an image. Here I want to choose an option. If I choose an option as 4 means there is not accurate cartoonizing, but there is a little bit level of cartoonizing images there. Cartoonizer. Or else if I rerun the code and uploading an image again. Oh no, I'm going to choose option like edge reduction. Edge reduction already is for blurring of an image. What is happening here? Using Thani, now I showed right Thani. By using this Thani filter, we are using this code is user interface buttons. Like that, we are going to use that's great. That's giving more interactive visualizations and a more immense user experience also. Okay. Kindly just okay, fine. Any idea about agentic AI? Just update me in chat box. I will be back in minute. Just update me in chat box. Any idea about agentic AI? Any idea about agentic AI? Can you kindly um, yes, please. Agentic AI. Just we are getting intro and afterwards we'll move to next one. Any ideas? Any idea on agentic AI? Any guesses? Anything? Okay. Now I am showing the examples, right? I am showing examples currently. I am showing examples currently. Can you kindly come up with examples? Any examples? Any one example, please?
Correctly, what she told is correct. We have not learned anything from the day one. Not even a simple coding we have learned. Just the theory. ஆக்சுவலா அப்ப எதுக்கு நாங்க ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா பேன்டெக் சொல்யூஷன் ஏதாவது சாஃப்ட்வேர் சொல்லி தருவீங்கன்னு. பட் we have
Examples. Agentic AI is nothing but a autonomous decision making to act proactively and adaptively in various environments, right? That means AI can act like a own. Okay. Like here we are going to here we are using logistic regression. Logistic regression nothing but a machine learning model. By using the machine learning model, how AI can acting like one. Okay. Now here I am entering a number of hours. Like means here this is a number of hours. This is a number of hours. This is a 0 means pass or 0 means 1 means sorry 0 refers to 5 or 1 refers to pass. Okay. If a student studying for 1 hour means he's more chance to become fail. As we are trained like if students studied more than 4 to 5 hours means the students become more chance to get a pass marks. Okay. Here is in logistic regression. What is my logistic regression? Logistic regression nothing but a there is a each and every value have a continuous elements. That means each and for each and every values there is a one continuous thing is there. That's what called we are logistic regression. And linear regression also like that only. Classification only there is non-continuous variables only yes or no, 0 or 1, true or false. But for regression means there is a each and every value has a some connectivity. Okay. Here by using model not fit is nothing but machines are used to learn the program, learn the patterns. I am just telling now. About 3 hours only students are more likely to getting a pass marks. Below 3 hours only students are more likely to getting a fail marks like that. For that purpose, machines have to learn the pattern, right? Machines using the dot fit function to learn the patterns. And we are using a while loop for number of study hours. How many hours the students will study. Likewise, user machines can expect in the user input. And if we are just entering, there is no value. We are going to end this chat means if we entering the 0, automatically it will break the loop. Okay. By printing, thank you visitors again statements. Automatically break the loop. And by predict is nothing but model can predict the value. The predicted value is stored in the variable name of prediction, and then if prediction is passed, it will just showing us okay recommend for next exam or else he is qualified like that. If he is failed means that means else part is nothing but he needs more training, he needs more study, like that it will just showing everything. Okay. If I run this code, this is used by machine learning with agentic AI. Agentic AI is not a single, not a specific thing. It comes in with combined with deep learning, machine learning, likewise. Because AI is nothing but that's only now. Here it's asking how many hours did hours did students study? Just to enter the study hours. If I enter 2 means it will automatically showing. Okay, the first student received. That means our input is receiving is a 2. The most of the ML prediction is a fail. And what is the action? Giving the output as giving the command instruction as you need more study like that. If I entering 9 means then again it will just realizing the pattern by using dot fit function. Afterwards It just accepting the input as 9 and predicted as pass and recommend for next exam. Okay, he is qualified for next exam like that. It will recommend. At last, if I enter how many students means, okay, now the list of students is completed. Prediction is done means, if I enter 0, it will just ending the program and just by giving us thank you visitors again. Okay, this is what we are using as agentic AI. Agentic AI is nothing but machines can think and act by its own without any human intervention, without any previous data. For just a best example in real time means, mm, okay, if I want to go to flight means, if I open the flight and enter the ticket, okay. Now at 8 p.m. I'm going for New Delhi for a flight means the system itself automatically booking the ticket and it will already know my own requirements, what are the requirements I have been. And okay, it automatically book the ticket and just giving the receipts. This is also called generative AI, agentic AI. And okay, for example, mm, there is one of the minute application that's relevant to generative AI. If I uploading any images or PPT in ChatGPT or else any AI engines means, just it will automatically recognize the image and giving the results. I am not asking, give me the extract the PPT, give me the information in the PPT, give me the results in the PPT like that. I am not asking anything. By uploaded, I am just it will automatically upload it, it will give the response, right? That's also called as a agentic AI. AGI can think itself like autonomously. Okay, that's what is called agentic AI. And this is a simple code. And there is this is our training data set. These are our training data. By using a scikit-learn machine learning model, I already shown now. There is a if three members are affected with disease means that's a disease. If any two, that is
Sir,
major. What is yes, kindly please.
if the training set is much and more, like 100, 200 images, how you will put?
It's images.
Not
It's
like this an arena.
this is text. Yes,
Not
not
like
like
an
this.
array.
In
How
real
you will
time,
put
this
the
is just
number
a
of
sample
images
only.
in a folder?
Yes, this is just a sample. If we
I
are
want
working
to
on
see
real
the
means,
folder.
just a minute, I will show this one. Wait a minute. In my D drive or C drive. Ah, this is a breast cancer data set. We are going for a project. We are going to use this as a image data set means there is test and train as there. My screen is visible or not? Enter screen. Or else I will share one tab. Oh, fine. Ah, now it's my screen is visible, right? This is a breast cancer data set. For the project purpose, I have created. Here there is test and train, each folder is there. Here training person is 70% or 80% only. We are going to give a training part as 70 to 80% and testing part is something but 2 to 3, 20 to 30%. For if you are studying it, teaching a topic and you are just asking questions means you are telling okay, this is a apple, this is a environment, this is a earth like that. You are telling someone, you are giving training to students by using 7 questions and remaining 3 questions you are asking them, right? What is the question? Just answer me. Like that is called testing. Here training, we are just this is I'm getting in short form. This malignant and benzene. Wait, I will giving the original file. The rest is there. Mm, where is it? Here. This is the original file. That's only data set. Here testis train is there. Here in train, there is benign and malignant is there. There is a different type of disease in breast cancer. In this is the image that means MRI and CT scan image data sets. Different type of image data sets where the cancer is affected like that. We are giving here as a 542 items, just a simple 542 items. But if we are giving more images means there is more accuracy can be done. Okay. This is a benign and this is a malignant image also. This is a different type of malignant images. Here we are giving 502 items. But here 552 502 is there. But in test part, we are giving just as a for bidding, it's a 500 items. But this is not much needed. If there is 500 images in test means just giving 150 or 200 images to train, that's enough. 150 to 200 images, that's enough. But here giving it 500 items. But if you're giving more also, that's not a problem. But if you're given less means that's affecting accuracy. But here in that malignant using 400 images. Okay, this is what training and testing should be done. But in images only we are giving more number of inputs, more number of text. But if you are using like a chat bot or else if you are using like any chatting window means for that purpose you have to give in more number of text input. But this is not chatbot or this is not an image purpose. That's why I'm just giving normal set of arrays only. How disease are healthy? There is two type of classification only now. If there is two type of classification only now, we are giving for less code, less number of input is data sets also enough. Ma'am, understood? Hello, ma'am, understood? Okay, fine. No one is responding. Here, if there is three, one is there now. One is for
Nice
this.
if you put the coding.
Ma'am,
Coding. How I can draw each image from the folder.
I'm not getting your point. Can you tell once again?
How to draw the each image from the folder one by one for I is equal to 1
Oh,
until there are
yeah.
images in that folder. How I can get them one by one? Can you show me the coding? The coding will be much and more useful for us.
Okay, ma'am. You are asking this images, how to get this image and
How to get each image.
ma'am, this is not there is two type of way. One is first.
Whatever. I want to get each one and then I will classify whether it is a cancerous or not.
Okay, ma'am, just a minute. This is there is two type of techniques to having this image. One is if there is no data set available in internet or else any platform means you have just creating a own. For example, assume a leaf disease. You by seeing itself, you know this leaf is affected by disease, and this is the greenish leaf. By seeing itself, you know, right? But cancer of us, we are not knowing that. By seeing the MRI scan or CT scan only, we get to know. For example, if there is a leaf means there is one affected leaf is in your hand. You have to create a data set of leaf disease, affected or healthy. By clicking the picture of affected image and uploading here, and there is a several type of affected image. You have to collect that each and every leaf and taking a picture and uploading here. There is some 20 images came now. You have to just copy paste the 20 images into 200 because everything is affected image like that. Everything is disease based leaf only. So if you are getting a 10 type of 20 type of different leaf disease affected image means you just clicking the picture and uploading here by using text not where is that test folder, that means train or test based folder. Just a train and test, that's what we are going to upload first. Train or test. Here train is 70 to 80% and test is 20 to 30%. For example, if you are uploading 800 images in training means we just upload any 150 or 130 images in test, that's enough. Likewise only we have to create data for our own value. There is a leaf affected image, we know. The person is affected by accident or not, we know. There is accident calculation percentage also there. How much amount of burnt this person having. This is a serious burn image, serious burn or else average or else very normal. Like that we have to, these are the criteria these are the criteria. By seeing itself we get to know, okay, this is so severe image, severe accident, this is mild accident, this is mild tumor only. By seeing itself we know. For that purpose we are just collecting data from real world itself. But for example climate condition, by checking the air humidity we get to know this rain or not. Sometimes there suddenly even in sunlight presence also rain will come, we are not aware of that. For that purpose already having certain data sets also there. Just a minute. Where we are going to upload data sets means in the Kaggle. This is a several data set websites also, but in Kaggle is that most trustworthy because even in big that means everyone in the world that's using Kaggle most frequently. That's what we are so trustworthy. Here the Kaggle is a website. Here there is a data set. CSV is a text data set. If we are working on machine learning projects, means we are getting CSV data sets. But here there's an image means we are getting into data sets and we are going to see that one. Here there's a data sets. Just I searched here. There's a breast cancer data set, nail disease like that. Because breast cancer we are not know by seeing our eyes, and by nail disease also we are not know that that much serious level by seeing the eyes, right? And if we are going to see that traffic based data sets means traffic image, it will give there is 615 here road traffic data sets. Here there is trainers part is there. Here this image connected.
Can I get explanation about that Kaggle?
Yes, Kaggle is an open source website consisting of a data sets. More amount of data sets created by various persons. If I have any data set means I also upload. I can also able to upload here. And someone also getting to use. This is an open source website only. And if I want a particular models means I have search here models like machine learning models also, transit Gemma models. These are featured models also there. And if I want to get to know the technical discussion with some of the other developers means I also joined here also. If I want to join here, if I want to learn anything about how to create data set, how to upload data set, how to extract the features from a data set means I want to learn here also. This is a Kaggle website, open source. Just a minute. If it has a traffic images there now, I will reduce this one. Holy shit. Here the road vehicle data sets there. If I click this one, here it will show. There is train and valid is also known as test. But by using in coding part, this is a valid image data. If we are getting to download this means we can change the name of valid into test only. Because test part only comes under with every coding environment. Test directory, test file, test data set. There is no valid directory, valid file. We have to change the file name as a test. Here I want to download means this is download as a zip. Is visible or not?
Sir, can you show in the coding how to download a certain image from a folder in the Kaggle?
That's what I'm doing now. This is a data set, right? This is a data set. I'm clicking the download option and I'm just download this 120 MB and it's getting download, right?
Okay.
It's getting download here. It's getting download and saved in the C folder. And this is a test and train. Here this is finished up. After templates, something like HTML part. We are going to go in the HTML part in VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and we have to develop that one. And in static, something like CSS part. Here there is a CSS image is there. This is a background image in user interface. If there is an output came now, what is the type of output is came? Okay, wait. This is not a version. What type of output is came? This is breast cancer affected person or not? For that output page, there is a background video. I'm just this one done. This is a static part is CSS part, and model is nothing but our model path. This is a backend file. We already run this file in collab. That's also in evident test there. Wait a minute. There is open notebook. This stream is there now. sim.ipnb. This is the backend file. This is first we have to run the code backend only. After there is a backend model saved in the model path. That's a model path here. The model path saved. After only we have to start the front end code. What is the front end code here? App.py is a front end code. This is a Python file. App.py. We have to run the front end part. How to run the project? That's what I told the last class. I run the brain cancer project, right? There is a cancer in brain or not. I run the project. That's the same purpose only we have to just run. How to alignment the code means first we have to go into take the test and file. I think this one download. This is one 954. Yes. I want to extract this one. Right? No. Okay. Wait a minute. I want to extract this one. and extract. After it will extract means it will just having the file folder name as test, sorry, train and valid. We have to change the valid as a test. We have to rename that, because if we are getting into the valid means in the by while running the front end code we have to getting some errors, because everywhere coding part we are every giving as a test only. We are, but you have to know valid is also called test, but we have to rename that for further purpose. This extraction is complete. After once extraction is completed, we would get to know how to, we have to paste that in the model path. By simultaneous this set, data set done, and by the backend we are getting the model path also there, and the front end code we have to once we have to getting to develop, or else if there is referral code means we have to change the modifications in that, and front end also done. Afterwards HTML is also done, that is images and videos. Afterwards, we have to align that in every folder. That means model, static, template, app dot, that means dot .py function, dot .iponb file. We have to align that in every folder path. Afterwards, once you have to getting to run means what I'm telling in the last class, that's the same procedure. If you want, I will tell once again also how to run the project. That's not an issue. What is the procedure? I told that last data. That's the same procedure for every deep learning and OpenCV projects. But NLP and machine learning that comes a little bit different way. But in deep learning and OpenCV projects, each and every the procedure, the basic overall procedure is same only. Okay. Here the traffic data. Here this YML function that's not needed now. We already focus on data set. In training data set, there is an images. We have to remove this one. This is not needed. We only wanted the image, right? Training image part and testing image part. I think it's showing. These are traffic images we got. There is someone who really taken this photo and uploaded in the Kaggle data set. This is a real time photo, right? In the same road, the picture. Anyone can upload any data sets. If I want means I will use this one for any traffic related purpose. I'm understood. Huh? Hello. Is that understood now? Or else shall I run project? I already ran that in last class. YouTube video link is also there. If you want to check that means kindly recheck that once. Okay. Ma'am, who is asking ask the question? I don't know. Okay, fine. This is how each and every project can need to be developed. First of all, we are going to check the data sets. Data sets available. Based upon data sets only, everything can be done. Data sets are basement for the each and every project. If someone can coming through the I want bone cancer segmentation means we have to check bone cancer is available or not. If it's first we have to know this data set is real time. We are getting we are able to develop, or we need to check in online, because bone cancer I won't able to be developed. This what developed by some healthcare or medical person or technical combined with medical person field only they developed the bone cancer. But if there is a leaf prediction or plant disease prediction or crop disease prediction means I only that means I can also able to develop the data set, right? I will just travel here and there. There is any plant affected by disease. Now I will take the picture. If there is a healthy plant, I will take the healthy plant picture. I need to develop the own data sets. That's also good. That's also one thing. There are several data sets are there, but if we are going to check by using our own means, we need to develop the data sets by own. If that is not in our hands to develop the data sets means we need to check it in online platforms, especially in medical field or else any climate predictions that like that only we can able to develop refer that in online. If there is accident, plant disease, any major accident in outer means outer skin means that not a internal accident, external accident. That purpose we itself by seeing itself we know this is we itself classify. Okay, this is affected disease, not affected. severe accident, not severe. Major, like a major accident, major fire burn, minor fire burn. By getting seeing itself, we know, right? Is that understood? Shall we see this one? Here we are using simple machine learning data sets. If there is so much of ones means one is fever, yes. One is means fever is yes. Yes, fever is there, and there is disease is also there. There is less number of one means healthy. I only given that. Here there is 4 1, there is 4 disease. I already given the pre-trained input and input data set and output data set. This is testing and this is training and this is testing. Sorry. Yes. And after that, we are using by fit is using for learning the patterns, and while using while loop, if fever is there now, if I enter 1 means fever, first it will plot fever. If I have fever means I will enter 1. If I don't have fever, I am healthy means I will enter 0. Then it will ask cough is there or not. Then it will collect the input from me and it will give the this is healthy as a output. Okay, then stay hard run the code. I think time is going, just a minute. There is no fever, but I enter there is a fever, but there is no cough. If it's asking headache or not, headache is there, headache or not, I enter no headache. If 100, there is no cough or no headache, only fever means what is the output here? Healthy is the output, right? Then it is showing us a healthy. If I want, okay, I already clarify my doubt. There is no doubt hereafter means just I will enter exit here. If I enter exit means model stopped and we get the output. And likewise, we are getting a spam classification, email spam classification, email detection, everything. Just I run the code. If I enter, I want to enter a message now. If that message comes in a spam or not spam means, if that message read it by the multinomial name bias, this is a name bias code. And if it's spam, it will give the output. If it's not spam, it will also give the not output. That is I am entering. Pre-offer is there. Oh, not offer. That is pre-offer means free offer is nothing but a spam because there is a spam related message. If I want again, uh, good night, that is a not spam, right? Like our entering, I'm not giving here free offer or good night anything. Just a spam or not spam I'm giving. But here I'm entering not spam as some certain data sets and spam also certain data sets, right? I'm just giving. If it's spam means block the message will be happen. If it's not spam, message will be allowed. If I want to, what is the exit part I given in break means, I think 0. If I enter 0 means it will break the statement. Understood? This is what how agentic AI works. Agentic AI is now the evolving technology that combined with OpenCV and deep learning purpose. Even in machine learning also that's there. Now only we see that one. Understood? From this today's session is end. If you want to know how to run the project means refer the last class video at last 20 minutes. I'm just explaining briefly how to run the project each and every step and what are the commands to be prompted to running installing each modules and libraries. Just refer that one. Okay, I will share the attendance link. I'm just posting the attendance link in chat box. Okay. I may post an attendance link, but today participants are very less. Okay, fine. Thank you all. This is the final day of session. If you have any technical related doubts, please just message on the group. We are active on every time, anytime, anywhere. Just we are going to reply and we are solving a technical test. Okay. Any doubts in technical? Any doubts on coding part? How to develop? How to do such a data sets? Or what is the using of this in what are the innovative projects we have to going to done? Just message in group. We are always active in the group only and we will respond immediately. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you. We will end the session. Any doubts? Any doubts are there? Or else we will wind up the session today. Okay. Thank you. Thank you everyone.